Hey, Quiz Universe fam. Today, we're bringing the heat with a brand new challenge. Guess the movie by Emoji. I've got 15 fun, brain-tickling emoji combos lined up for you. Ready to test your movie knowledge and have some laughs? Before we dive in, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more cool quizzes every week. Let's roll! All right, kicking things off. Can you guess this first movie from emojis? It's Home Alone. Here we go. Can you figure out this one? The Super Mario Brothers. Put your emoji skills to the test. Spider-Man. This one's a web-slinger classic. Emoji movie puzzle coming right up. King Kong. Take a wild guess. What movie is this? Inside Out 2. Such a mind-bending adventure. These emojis are a little spooky. Guess the movie. Five Nights at Freddy's. Memory time. Remember all the emojis? Now, where's the home emoji? Yup, it's right at the start. Quick, which movie fits these emojis? It. The suspense is real. Time for some childhood nostalgia. Guess the movie? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Can you name this family-friendly flick? The Boss Baby. This emoji puzzle is a classic. Any guesses? E.T. Such a heartwarming film. Which feathery friends are these emojis hinting at? The Angry Birds. Calling all Paris lovers. What's this movie? Emily in Paris. Dust off your glass slippers. Can you guess this? Cinderella. Slam dunk with this last one. What's the movie? Space Jam. Thanks for playing along, Quiz Universe Squad. Drop your score in the comments and tell us how many you got right. Did you beat the clock? If you love this challenge, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the fun. can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, keep your emoji game strong.